Oh,
you're kidding
I
me.
just told oh, we were like, we're done, reel him in. We've stopped, he's winding in, bang, barra on, barra jumps, spits it.
That is devastating.
Oh.
That is absolutely devastating.
That's hilarious. All right, maybe we'll have one more trawl.
Yeah, he's still on. He's just running. Yeah.
Well, there we go. Let's go. Welcome back to another episode of Explore Offshore, guys. If you've just joined us, make sure you go check out part 1 and then jump over to part 2. It'll all make sense. Let's get stuck in. Oh, I'm on.
Are you kidding?
Oh, I dropped him. Oh, we nearly had the double. Oh, I am on. Oh, this is big. No, I'm snagged. All right, I gotta get mine up. I need to get out of that snag. You're kidding. One more on the sunset. We were done. He was winding it in. Oh, stop it.
Yeah, that'll do ya.
Net, get the net. One more as the sun goes down.
Oh, a good one.
How we got him? He's going off too.
Oh, that's bigger, bro.
Oh, I got a hook in my foot. It's alright.
Dude.
Come out.
Oh, Jesus. What did I just say? I was like, oh, there's no barra on this snag.
Next minute.
Oh, it's...
You kidding?
Woo!
Oh my God, 6 barra. You're joking. Alright, one more. We got another one in us before the sun's completely gone. He's on. One more. Jeez, they're fighting out. I reckon he's only about, he's 70 plus. Yeah, good little jump. Jeez, it doesn't feel very heavy. Get him, man.
Oh,
Yes,
next level,
I
mate.
got the hattie. I'm absolutely stoked. Coming in. Coming in hot. Oh, yes.
He's alright.
He's alright. Nothing wrong with that. Another 75. Oh.
Yeah.
One more on dark as the sun goes down. 74. What a bloody nice barrel. We're sending him back. What an afternoon.
Yeah.
Oh, he is gone. Unbelievable. Well, we've opted for some more squid.
Something different.
Oh, it was too good this afternoon, so we got a bit more on the go. This is our little afternoon or evening appetizer entree, and then I reckon we might cook up some cutlets later on.
Oh,
See how we go, but too good. That's so good. Do yourself a favour if you've never caught squid
holy moly.
and cooked it up fresh with that salt and pepper seasoning. Make it a little bucket list item for yourself and get out there, get stuck in and get it done, because it is sensational. Well, the barra slaying session is over. The sun is well and truly gone. We've swapped the lures out for a bit of dead bait. Chucked it over near the snaggies there, and I reckon we might just hang them out and might cook a feed.
Oh, yeah.
And this is us. This is us for the night. We're sleeping on the boats, which I don't know if we've told you yet. So, swag's on the boats in the creek. We've got a bit of mess to clean up, but.
Everywhere.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Good morning. You going up there, big horse?
Bloody good. That was a good sleep, eh?
Good sleep.
Oh, I slept like a log.
I'll tell you what, the sun is just about to pop up over there. There is not a breath of wind. It is a straight glass out. I'm going to throw the drone up. Check this out. Got to show you guys this. It's so glassy that the reflection of the clouds, you can see it on the GoPro. You don't know where the bloody water finishes and the sky starts. It's absolutely incredible. Well, we're not mucking around, coffee, and we're straight on the trawl.
Yeah.
First fish of the morning. Step right up. What are we chasing?
Oh, school of finger marks down there.
Yes. So we've got the side scan on and we've found a little hot spot. You don't need the side scan. You've never seen a bloody better looking bit of structure. And we reckon there's probably 30 odd fish in there, if not more. Finger mark. Yeah, boy. A little bit of bacon and eggs on the go. While we flick around, we got a couple of little finger mark, little mangrove jack. We've seen a barra here, so it's a hot little spot. We're not going hungry, are we, Bruss?
Oh, no.
Eating like kings. That's unreal. Straight back to the old honey hole, and we are on with an absolute horse this morning. Get her in here. Let's go. That's a good size one. Oh.
Oh, yes! Oh, mate.
Oh, that's a good barrel. I was like, don't let me lose this.
Oh, that was hectic.
He's come in at 77. Nothing wrong with that. Alright, well, we've made a decision. We met up with a couple of the other boys. One of them come in this morning and brought some spear gear. So we've got the spear gear. We'll see if we can't top this epic couple of days off with a blue bone or a trout. So it's time to pack all the gear up. We're out of here. You're kidding. Woo. Unfortunately, the weather has turned a little bit. The wind's picked up. We were sort of hoping it might have held off till late this arvo, but we found a little bit of viz, about half a metre swell. We'll have a look. Size. I thought he was bigger than that. They only got to be 32, that's about a 40. Well, there we go. A nice mangrove jack, not real big. That'll be perfect in the pan, maybe for lunch.
Oh, that sounds good.
Mangrove jack, wraps for lunch. Well, refreshing little swim. One little mangrove jack for Tucker, which I think we might push back to the creek.
Yeah.
Cook up some lunch. We're not going to head back up to the spot the other day. It's just absolute pus out there, so we'll give that a swerve. Run back in the creek, cook up some lunch, and then I guess we'll have to slay barra again. If we have to,
Sounds
eh?
good.
Got him! Yes, that's what we wanted. Oh, we're going to kick back, throw them in and watch them just get smashed by barra. Hell yeah.
Oh,
Whiting.
oh, what? There's a couple of good sized whiting, mate.
Little mully. Righto, time for a little bit of lunch. Just filling it up. A little mangrove jack into nice little bite-sized pieces. A little bit of secret seasoning in the old bag. We'll chuck her in, fire her up.
Very, very secret.
Very secret. You won't find it in any of your local shops. Tomato, lettuce, cheese, and a little bit of bloody Peronaise. Oh, stop it. Fish on the go. We got a couple of liveys out. We stopped, grabbed that bit of mullet before, so just gonna kick back, enjoy lunch, and hopefully one of these lines starts singing. That's the plan. He's on here. What are you feeling?
It feels very cod-like, hey?
Yeah, it's looking cod-like. It's not coming up.
Yep.
Codley.
Oh.
Head shake. Is there a jump? Codley.
Codley. What do you call him, Addy?
Cod.
Bingo.
Oh,
good release.
that was a big cod.
Yeah, he's on. It's coming in hot. Cod.
Oh, it's a cod. It's a cod, isn't it?
Silver! It's a bear! Oh shit!
Yeah! The spot is back! Oh, here we go. He's only a little fella, but he's a barra nevertheless. We'll go chase his older brother. He's going to be gone. Woo! See you, mate.
Yeah!
Absolutely puffed it. Jeez, mate, did you want to save any for anyone else? Well, the wind's buggered off for the arvo. The sun's dropping, just about worn out to be honest, but we're going to go for a bit of a trawl. As soon as we lose last light, I think we'll have a big raft up. There's 4 boats tonight, I think. Is everyone staying?
Yeah, yeah.
4 boat raft ups. There's going to be a few cans had. But let's see if we can't jag one more barra as the sun goes down. That'll just top off an absolutely stellar day. Oh, that's a big barra.
That's a good fish, mate. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to get him out somehow.
Straight.
Oh! Is that a cod?
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh, it's a monster cod.
Oh.
That sucks. Oh.
God damn, he jumped like a barrow, mate.
Jumped. That's hilarious.
Oh.
Bit of fun down the afternoon
Yeah.
anyway. Oh,
You're kidding
I
me.
just told we were like, we're done, reel him in. We've stopped, he's winding in, bang, barra on, barra jumps, spits it.
That is devastating.
Oh.
That is absolutely devastating.
That's hilarious. What a stitch up. A cod and then a barra just teases us.
Oh, mate.
Just about to run out of light too. Alright, maybe we'll have one more trawl. He's on! I might putt you just away.
Oh, you're kidding!
What? Did you drop it?
He's gone!
No! Well, we tried hard, but that's it for the day. The sun's just about to drop, so we're going to motor home now. Let's punch it, go find the lads and raft up.
Yeah, bloody good.
She's a bit of a slow start this morning. The old raft up got a little bit wild.
Bit out of hand.
But we shall recover.
Dooley dooley.
Coffee. And we're steaming, eh? Straight up to the bloody blue water.
Let's go diving.
Dive and swim. Enjoy the sunshine. Found a little ledge here. Viz looks, what do we got there? Viz is, well, geez, Viz is 7 meters. You can see the bottom. So we're on. Well, the boys with guns are on. 3 guns sitting in the truck. What an absolute idiot. But we're getting in, see if we can chase some bone. A trout would be nice. Or it's a big ledge, so there may even be a few crays hanging around. We'll see how we go.
Little one, but
Lunch.
good enough size. There's a few down there.
Whew. Got a bit of lunch on the go. Just got out of the bloody drink here. Just thought I'd show you this one real quick. For anyone that hasn't seen our new products that have just come out, make sure you jump over to the website and have a bit of a look. This is the Dirty Zone gear bag. She's absolutely covered in blood, guts and carry on after this trip, but this is the best part about it. Unzip the side pocket. All your wet, dirty, filthy fishing gear gets tucked in this side pocket, completely separate to inside. Keeps all your clothes clean. Check them out on the link in the description if you guys want to have a look. We just finished lunch. Bloody Wooza ended up with 3 squid. So he's taking them home for the boss. She'll be happy.
Yeah.
Well, that's a wrap, guys. We're going to putt back, get everything cleaned up, put it back on the trailer. If you have enjoyed watching these offshore episodes, let us know in the comments below. Really appreciate it. Shout out to all the subscribers. If you want to see more of this fishing content, I'll put the link. Go Explore Offshore. Check out the Instagram. If you want to check out old Salty over here, any of his YouTube vids around this local area, jump over the description. I'll put his details so you can go and watch his YouTube as well. That's a wrap. Until next time, make sure you get out and enjoy the Explore life. Just one dilemma. We only have one gun. So I'll probably stay in the boat, let him have a look. If it's any good, I'll jump in and just do a little bit of filming, a bit of free diving. Nothing like free diving in Croc country.
Oh yeah.
Without a gun. New strategy. We're going to sit on this rock, load the gun, and just wait till something comes past. It was just that was probably a 55.
Yeah.
Bloody blue bone, absolutely gorgeous. This is us. We're going to sit here until we spear something.
Did he actually do me?
Yes. Yes, that's gold. We just got to get these other blokes out of our spot. Come over here with your noisy bloody V8 motor, carrying on like pork chops. Snagging, scaring all the fish away.
Scaring all the bar.
It's going to be someone's bungs getting pulled in a minute.
It's like yesterday. Where are you going, Lanigan?
Oh, the reverse!
This is a repeat of yesterday.
Oh, that is the best ever. Why is it taking you so long to put it in reverse?
No, he's just pushing
It's going around.
The big V8
Oh,
just
that's
going
so funny.
That's exactly what it is.
When there's only one designated driver, you just raft up, and only one bloke drives, it's fine.
That's it, no one to blame. Slice not, then you're halfway there. And then what you do, right, is you get your slice, you can add a bit of spice. You put an RMG deep diver on there, and then just to add a bit of flavour, what you do, right, you put mullet on there, boy. And then, oh, look at that.